To capture crisp, sharp photos of birds with a nailed focus, you can use the OM-1's computational photographic features. This can be achieved by using the subject detection feature found in your AF settings. To enable the feature, press the menu button and navigate to the third tab, the AF menu. Then move to the second page and find subject detection and press OK. Here you can see several subjects that can be focused on using the amazing computational powers of the OM-1. Now let's choose the bird icon and press OK. To make focusing easier, you can make the focusing area bigger from the Super Control panel. Press OK to access the Super Control panel and go to AF target mode and press OK. Now use the front dial to change the AF mode to one that you prefer. And now every time the camera sees a bird in your focus area and you use AF on or halfway press, it automatically focuses on that subject.